everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Synchrony credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Synchrony credit card online, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.synchronybank.com/creditcard and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign in button, and from the pop-up displayed on the screen, select one of the options that you'd like to sign in with. If you would like to sign into your Synchrony savings account, click on this first option. If you want to log into your Synchrony MasterCard, click on this second option. For any other retail credit cards, you can click on this link at the bottom. Let me click on this second option, that is Synchrony MasterCard, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this login area. You can easily log into your credit card account by entering your user ID and your password associated with your Synchrony credit card. If you want to register or apply for a credit card, you can click on this link at the bottom that says register or apply. Enter your user ID in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this remember user ID box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. And in case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or the password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering all of the details, click the secure login button and you'll be able to access your Synchrony credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.